Hi friends. Today, we are going to become detectives. Every sentence has a secret. It's always about a who or a what. Are you ready to find them? A who is a person, like a teacher, a brother, or a doctor. If it has a name or a job, it's a who. A what is everything else. A crunchy apple, a fluffy cat, or the big blue ocean. If it's not a person, it's a what. Look at this. A firefighter. Is this a who or a what? It's a who, because a firefighter is a person. Great job, detective. Yum, a birthday cake. Is this a who or a what?
It's a what? You got it. A birthday cake is a yummy thing, not a person, so it's definitely a what.
Thanks for playing the who or what game with me today. Keep practicing, and I will see you in our next lesson.